Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated, the epitome of efficiency and excellence in the realm of waste management, proudly serves Greenwycke Village and the surrounding areas of Huntsville, Alabama. When it comes to impeccable dumpster rental services, Reed Maintenance stands as a paragon of reliability and dedication. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, clearing out your clutter, or managing construction debris, we're your trusted partner. At Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated, we don't just offer dumpster rentals, we provide an unrivaled experience. Our commitment to making your waste disposal hassle-free is matched only by the quality of our services. With an array of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs, you can be sure that Reed Maintenance will handle your waste with utmost precision. It's not just about dumpsters, it's about ensuring a cleaner and more organized Greenwycke Village and Huntsville. For top-notch dumpster rental services that transform waste management into a breeze, visit our website at reeddumpsters.com or give us a call at 256-640-7888. Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated is your partner in maintaining cleanliness and order, ensuring your peace of mind with every rental. Experience the difference, Reed Maintenance, where excellence meets waste.